Welcome to Zoom in Data, episode 13. Till now we built pipelines, notebooks, dashboards, security, cost control, everything working perfectly. But in real companies, one small mistake can break production. So today we learn Git and CICD, the professional way to save changes safely, work together, and deploy without fear. No hurry. We go very slow, step by step, like I am sitting next to you. Ready? Let's begin. Imagine you made a small change in pipeline, clicked publish, and production broke. Happens a lot without Git. Git is like a time machine. Every change is saved with who did it, when, and why. If mistake, roll back in one click. Multiple people can work. You on new feature, friend on bug fix, no conflict. CICD means when you finish work and merge to main branch, system automatically deploys to test environment, then prod after approval. No manual publish, safe and fast. Dev workspace for creating, test for checking, prod for real users. This separation saves companies from disasters. Today we do only 6 simple steps. No confusion. Step 1. Link your Synapse to Git, like GitHub or Azure repos. Step 2. Save all your current pipelines and notebooks into Git. Step 3. Learn branches, like separate copy for new work, so main stays safe. Step 4. Make 3 workspaces. Dev, for creating, test, for checking, prod, live. Step 5. Create automatic pipeline in Azure DevOps. When you finish work, it deploys itself. Step 6. Run it once and see magic happen. We go one step at a time. You can pause anytime. Step 1 Friends. Very first thing. Open Synapse Studio, right pointing arrow, left menu, right pointing arrow, manage, gear icon, right pointing arrow, Git configuration. You see big button, connect to Git. Click it. Now 2 choices, GitHub, most popular, or Azure repos, if your company uses Microsoft. I choose GitHub. Click authorize. Log in to GitHub if asked. Allow Synapse to access your repo. Now select your repo name from drop-down. Create empty repo first if you don't have. Collaboration branch. Keep it main. This is your main, safe branch. Click apply at bottom. Wait few seconds. Status changes to connected. Why? Now every change you make in Synapse can be saved safely in Git, like backup plus history. This is the Git connection screen in Synapse Studio Manage Hub. Top drop-down, Git provider. Choose GitHub or Azure repos. Below, repo name field. Type or paste your repo, like Tija Synapse repo. Branch. Keep it main, safe main branch. Click blue authorize button. Login and allow access. Then bottom blue apply button. Click to connect. Done. Synapse now linked to Git. Every change saved safely. Pause now. Open manage right pointing arrow Git config. Pick GitHub. Authorize. Apply. Super easy first step. Step 2. Now we save your work into Git. After connecting, notice publish button says publish to Git. Make one small test change, like rename any pipeline to test pipeline _v2. Now click publish all, top bar. Synapse asks commit message. Type added test rename. Click publish. Few seconds later, success. Now open your GitHub repo in browser. See folders, pipeline, notebook, dataset. All your Synapse work saved as JSON files. Why important? If you delete something by mistake, you can go back to previous version in Git. After Git connection, Publish button turns into Publish All in Git mode. Branch shows main, safe branch. Click Publish All right-pointing arrow type commit message like first git save, right-pointing arrow publish. Success toast appears. Published successfully to Git. Your changes now saved in Git repo as version, safe forever. Pause. Make small change. Click Publish All. See green success message. Easy. Step 3. This is heart of safe work. Look top bar. Branch name is main. Click drop down right pointing arrow new branch. Name it feature, new sales pipeline, any name starting with feature. Click create. Now you are in new branch. Make changes here. Add pipeline, notebook. Nothing affects main. When finished right pointing arrow click publish all right pointing arrow commit message, added new sales pipeline. Push to GitHub. Now open GitHub right pointing arrow pull requests right pointing arrow new pull request. Base. Main left pointing arrow compare. Feature, new sales pipeline. Review changes right pointing arrow merge pull request. Why? Team can review before going to production, no accidents. This is the branch drop down at the top of Synapse Studio. Click the arrow. It opens the list. See new branch option. Click it. Now a box appears. Name field. Type something like feature, new sales pipeline. Click create branch. Done. Step 4. Real companies never develop in production. Create 3 separate Synapse workspaces in Azure Portal. Dev Synapse. Connect to Git. Do all development here. Test Synapse. For testing pipelines. Prod Synapse. Live production. Very strict. In Dev. Edit. Commit. Push. In Test. Prod. No direct edit. Only deploy from Git using CICD. This way production never breaks by mistake. This simple diagram shows real professional setup. Left box. Dev. Here you write code. Commit to Git. Middle arrow. Git pushes changes. Test box. Auto deploy here to check everything works. Right arrow with approval gate. After test pass. Approve. Prod box. Live production. Safe and stable. No one edits prod directly. Only approved deploys go there. Step 5. Now automatic deployment. Open Azure DevOps. dev.azure.com. Right pointing arrow your project right pointing arrow pipelines right pointing arrow new pipeline. Choose YAML right pointing arrow select your Synapse repo. Trigger. When merged to main branch. Add task. Azure Synapse deployment. Search in tasks. Set target workspace. Test Synapse. Save and run pipeline. It deploys changes to test automatically. Add second stage for prod. With manual approval gate, someone must click approve. Why? Changes go to test first. Safe. After test pass. Approve right pointing arrow prod updated automatically. This is Azure DevOps Pipeline Editor. Your automatic deployment magic. Left side. YAML code. Simple script that runs when you merge to main branch. Middle. Synapse deploy task highlighted. This is the key part. See fields on right. Workspace target. Select your test Synapse or prod Synapse workspace here. Task version. Keep latest. When pipeline runs, it takes your Git changes right pointing arrow deploys to chosen workspace automatically. Why powerful? No manual publish. Safe, fast, repeatable. Pause now. In Azure DevOps, open your pipeline.c Synapse deploy task. Pick test workspace run once. Watch it deploy. Today you learned How to connect Synapse to Git. Now every change is saved forever. Branches. Work safely without breaking main. Dev, test, prod. Real professional setup. CICD pipeline. Automatic deployment. No manual publish. You are now doing what senior data engineers do. Your homework. Do it slowly. Connect your Synapse workspace to Git, GitHub or Azure repos. Create one feature branch. Make small change, commit and push. Set up basic pipeline in Azure DevOps. Deploy to test workspace. Comment below. Git done. Next, episode 14. We monitor Synapse. Alerts for failures, paused pulls, performance. Log analytics, metrics. Keep everything running smooth. Thank you for watching Zoom in Data. If you connected Synapse to Git today, big like, comment, Git done, subscribe, share, turn on notifications for Zoom in Data.